Saraswati and you're watching Glam, Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and today's video will be very interesting because in today's video I'll show you some hairstyles which you can carry with Saree or Saraswati Puja. So those will be very easy yet very classy hairstyles. So if you're interested to know about those hairstyles, then keep on watching. But before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about these hairstyles and what you think about this video. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure to comb your hair and detangle it properly, otherwise no hairstyle will look good. So detangle your hair properly. For the first hairstyle, I will show you a braid hairstyle which is very simple yet very gorgeous. So let's get started. At first, partition your hair like so, but do it a little higher than your usual area. Like if you do it here, do it a little higher so that you get a little wave. Now take a small section of hair and start twisting your hair like so, and start adding little section to the twist you are doing. Keep adding small strand of hair and then pull it a bit so that you get a puffy look like so, and then secure it with a bobby pin. So I have secured it with a bobby pin. Now what you have to do, pull all the hair on one side, the side in which you want to carry your braid, and then start braiding normally. Do a very loose braid like so. Don't do it very tight, otherwise it won't look good. Like so, and then put a rubber band at the end. Now pull it a bit more to get a more voluminous look. And now what you will have to do is, you can buy any sort of flower garland. You can use fake or real. I have fake one. So you can buy any sort of fake flower garland from the market, and you have to use this to give it a more gorgeous look. At first, clip one end of the garland at the back of your hair like this. And now start twisting it around your braid. And then when it comes to the end, you get a tie. So twist it like this, and then take a U-pin and secure the end so that it won't get loose or it won't open. So this is how it looks. Pull some hair from the other side, and this is how it looks. It's very simple to create, yet it's very gorgeous, and it will look like you have put so much efforts doing this, but hardly take 10 minutes to do it. So it's very easy yet very gorgeous. So you can just try this, and I can assure you it will look very pretty. So this is the first hairstyle to carry with Saree, which is very simple to create as you have seen, yet it looks so gorgeous and it looks like you have put so much effort doing this. But this is so simple to do, right? So you can definitely try this. Now let's move to the next hairstyle. So the next hairstyle will be a bun. Very easy bun. I will use this for creating the bun. So let's start. At first, tie a normal ponytail. So I've tied a ponytail. Now let me turn to the back side and then I'll show the rest of the clip. Now I'll take this and I'll put it inside the ponytail, and I'll do this. I'll spray my hair around the bun. Then I'll put a rubber band, secure it. Now I'll divide the rest of the hair to two sections, and I'll turn twisting one side. Like so, and then I'll turn it like this. and I'll secure it with a bobby pin. Sorry. I'll do the same with the other side. I'll take a bobby pin and I'll secure it. Now I'll take this. And that's how it looks. So this was the next hairstyle, which is a bun. You can lower the length of the bun by lowering the length of your ponytail. You can lower that. A very easy, quick bun. And bun looks so good with sarees. So this was the next hairstyle. Now let's quickly move to the next hairstyle. Now moving to the last hairstyle of this video is our open hair hairstyle. So I tried to keep all the category like a braid, a bun and a open hair. So let's quickly do that. At first, we will partition your hair. Then take hair from this portion, skip the front part and then start twisting it. Take it to the back and then secure it with a bobby pin. And then I'll do the same with this side. Now I'll take this and I'll fold like this. How it looks from front and how it looks from back. It's a very beautiful hairstyle to carry if you want to carry your open hair and you want to wear garland. This is so good and I personally love this hairstyle. So yeah, those are all the 3 hairstyles which were very simple yet very classy, which you can carry with saree or Saraswati Puja or any occasion. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video and about this hairstyles. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it. We will meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.